Operating a small business demands significant effort, from drafting a business plan to fulfilling legal obligations like filing taxes. Entrepreneurship requires diligence, dedication, determination, and crisis management skills. Understanding the procedural requirements for starting a business is crucial for compliance with relevant laws. Starting a business involves risks. Minimizing failure chances is crucial. Seeking objective feedback from acquaintances about your business idea is recommended. However, success isn't guaranteed. Statistics show many businesses fail within a few years. Therefore, laying a strong foundation by following necessary steps is vital. Step 1. Research, validate your business idea by assessing market demand and competition. Explore questions like demand for goods, services, target audience, existing competitors, and market positioning. Step 2. Create a plan. Develop a business plan outlining your goals, strategies, and financial projections. A comprehensive plan is essential for seeking financial support. Step 3. Plan finances. Estimate startup costs and ongoing expenses. Explore funding options like loans, investors, or bootstrapping. Step 4. Choose a business structure. Select a legal structure, sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, etc., considering liability, registration, and tax implications. Step 5. Select and register your business name. Choose a unique name and register it with the appropriate government agency. Also, register your domain name if available. Step 6. Establish your business location. Choose a suitable location considering type of business, equipment, and setup needs. Step 7. Obtain licenses and permits. Acquire necessary licenses and permits based on business type and location. Register with relevant tax authorities. Step 8. Prepare your team. Define roles and responsibilities for employees or contractors. Assemble a support team for guidance. Step 9. Promote your business. Develop a unique selling proposition and marketing plan to attract customers. Consistently work on business growth. Step 10. Prioritize profit making. Implement cost management practices to ensure profitability. Step 11. Prioritize customer satisfaction. Maintain a customer-centric approach to enhance satisfaction and quality. Following these steps diligently enhances the chances of success in starting and operating a small business.